Creating ads online can be a challenge. It can be a real big challenge. Some of you guys have given up hope. I'm here to help you dust that off. I'm here to help you dust off the dream and the hope and the aspiration of you actually getting clients on Facebook and Instagram. You tried it before, it ain't work. You paid a whole lot of money, it ain't work. All that good stuff. So this is the month of October 2025. For the month of October 2025, I am offering for every business owner, service-based business. If you're a relationship coach, life coach, any of those things, I am a relationship coach. I use these systems that I share with you and how to gain clients online, service clients online with you, HVAC, tree cutting, electrical, landscaping, dental, lawyers, whatever it is, we have a program for you. Now listen to me. I will create an engaging ad for you, an ad that people will click. Yes, I will be the spokesperson for your ad. Number two, we will create an offer that causes people to want to click the link. And number three, most importantly, we will automate it through AI, meaning when someone clicks your ad, an AI voice will call them. We will also text, conversational text. We'll set up a process when people text you conversationally, AI will have a conversation with them, get them on your calendar. Bottom line is we're going to get you some customers. Bottom line is we're going to build out your pipeline. So every single day, you don't have to wake up and try to get new customers because you have customers who are already opted in to your email and your text messages. Now, all the stuff I just named for you, we're going to do for $497 setup. There is a $150 a month fee for the first 3 months. So $150 1 month, $150 second month, $150 the third month. Yes, you've heard it. I'm going to create your ad. I'm going to create your ad. I'm going to manage your ad. I'm going to automate your ad for $150 a month as we ride out of 2025. If this interests you, because you have been praying and struggling and praying for how in the world that you can get exposure for your product or service. Now, I'm going to tell you, the reason it's $150 a month because I'm trying to make it as low as possible. So when you do your Facebook ad, you can still experience growth going into 2026. Click the link. If this offer is something that you believe your business can benefit from, I'll say again, I will create your ad. I will be the spokesperson for your ad. I will also help you create an offer that is compelling. We will talk about your business. We will talk about what services you offer. We may create other services that work within your service. All of this. I want to help you win. I want to help you cross the finish line in 2025 to experience the benefits of AI, to experience the benefits of an engaging offer. Click the link, get on my calendar. Look forward to talking to you. Look forward to working with you.